Friends, hope all are safe, staying at home. Hope your family is also doing good with all home cooked food, and all are having nutritious food and staying healthy also. And hope all is well. We are getting a lot of calls and queries from many of you because I see you're not checking the messages regularly. Please make it a habit to check messages. Not only that, we get knockout offer every 2 days, but there will be a lot of change in orders, deliveries, procedures, because as you know, it's being so unpredictable. And last month's parcels also, still many of us have not got. Even my parcels, SPO parcels, have not come. And yes, the delivery date does show 17th, but you keep asking me again when it will come. As you know, the lockdown was extended, right? So we are trying our best to get it as soon as possible when the government allows couriers. As of now, non-essential items couriers is not allowed. So our parcels are ready, waiting in the go down. In fact, even the courier guy said all parcels are ready and waiting to just come to our places. So please wait and keep checking our messages every day for any upgradation or call from your courier guy, and also keep checking for the offers. And all products are sanitized, much more safer than the products you have in your home. In fact, they're taking all precautions, you need not worry. But still, if you need any of the products urgently, which comes in the essential section, you can get it within 2-3 days. But many of you are placing order for wellness and other essential goods, but you're not selecting in the home delivery essential option. So you need to check the essential option, and it is prepaid. You can pay by credit card, MasterCard, even any UPI option or bank transfer. So for cash on delivery, if you select essentials, you will not get it in 2-3 days. You will get it only after extension. So hope you know the list of products which are there for essentials. We have the much needed and most popular products from the Silk range of soap and shower cream. We have milk and honey, organic milk and honey soap, shower cream. We have North for Men soap, a couple of shower gels and hand washes, which are most important now, as we need to keep washing our hands often, and this is non-drying. We have soaps of rose and neem, starting from just 44 rupees. We have the toothpaste, which is important also, wellness. All products, even in sets, are available. We have a couple of shampoos. The dandruff shampoo, which is important for the summer, is available. We have the Shikakai shampoo, which has diamond powder, available. We have face washes, kids toothpaste, and also North for Men face, hair and body wash, and North for Men face wash is also available. New addition, Loving Care also shampoo, and even shower cream is available. So all these products you can order as usual, but you need to select the essential goods delivery option. And also friends, all these essential goods delivery is not applicable for all areas. As you know, wherever there is sensitive, there is absolutely no courier service. So nobody can enter, and it's not safe also, right? So check the pin codes which I had messaged you yesterday, and if you're not getting essential delivery option as you do home delivery, it shows that there is no service. Okay, since many, even I'm working long hours now, more than 10-11 hours. I'm online most of the time. I might not be able to answer each and every call, right? It's really not possible. So please check this video, share it with your team, educate your team also to check messages, and make most of use of this lockdown positively, as really we don't know when it will be removed, but the offers will end. And choose cash on deliveries, and when it comes you pay, but you won't miss the offers, which is very much important in this very sensitive period. Every rupee counts. And see that you also focus for your sunglasses, business class for 100, 125, 150, where you get 60% off, and you get 20% increase in bonus points in all the products, but for the wellness and Novate sets. So lot of offers and lucky draws are there, where more than 95,000 rupees gifts of iMac Air is possible. So don't miss any. keep trying and don't keep focusing on the same people, same customers, same relatives for the orders. Now is the time to make friends online. Offline is really not possible. Make new friends online, and you be a helpful person to the community where you are staying, where these essential items will come safely to you and you can distribute to them. So where there is a will, there is surely a way. So think of all options, and for further support you must attend all the lively webinars that's happening, inspiring people, where people who were nobody, from waiters are earning more than 2 lakhs, farmers earning more than 3 lakhs. So could you. So keep participating, and I'm sure with the actions, rightful actions taken, tomorrow you could be the biggest achiever, where you will be proud of yourself and you will make your family also proud of yourself. So let this lockdown period be a time in your life where you create milestones for yourself, memories which are sweet and worth sharing even your future generations. That's the challenge even I have taken on, helping others positively, empowering, staying empowered, and also creating some breakthroughs in business, in creating new shining stars, and also learning new online methods of business. So all the best. Please WhatsApp me for any other support. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Rather calls, because when I'm in webinar, I won't be able to take calls. So hope you understand. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Bye.